Do you own a piece of black diamond and want to make sure whether it's genuine or just a fake stone like cubic zirconia or glass? Today, we'll learn about one of the most famous field tests, the scratch test using a knife. Before we begin, we need to understand the scientific principle behind this test, which is based on the Mohs scale of hardness. Black diamond is considered the hardest natural substance on Earth, scoring a 10 out of 10, while a steel knife typically ranges between 5.5 and 6.5 on the same scale. The golden rule here is that a harder material scratches a softer one and not the other way around, meaning it's impossible for a steel knife to scratch a real diamond. To perform the test correctly, start by cleaning the stone thoroughly with a soft cloth to remove dust and oils. Next, take the tip of a sharp steel knife, apply gentle pressure, and drag it carefully across the surface, then inspect the spot using a magnifying glass. If the knife leaves no trace at all and the surface remains completely smooth, this supports the likelihood of it being a real diamond. However, if any line or scratch appears, it is definitive proof that the stone is fake and could be glass or cubic zirconia. But beware of two crucial points. First, natural black diamond contains internal pores and fractures, so applying heavy pressure might not scratch the stone, but it could shatter it along these weak points. Second, black moissanite has a hardness rating of 9.25, making it harder than the knife as well, so it won't scratch either. Therefore, this test only distinguishes diamonds from cheaper stones, not from moissanite. Ultimately, the knife test is a quick and preliminary method. For a 100% conclusive result, it's always best to use a thermal diamond tester or consult a certified jeweler. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried this test before?